What is good? What is good? Ramen on Wheels back again today. Just came back from a smoothie run, not a scooter run. Okay, you coming in the street, out the street, pick one. And now I'm gonna go get me some taco. I want taco. I want a taco. Hi. Hi. Can I have 2 tacos? Yes. Corn, yeah. No.
Only meat?
Only meat. But yeah, get me some tacos. Give me about 2 tacos, cause baby girl hungry. Baby girl is hungry. Let's look at this menu. What that menu say? I love eating me some papusa. Ooh, and some of that corn with the sauce and the cheese, and then some fajita meat. You know what it is. Anybody craving Mexican food? Cilantro be just too heavy. I mean, it's so strong, so I'd just be like, no cilantro. And then the onions, I like grilled onions, and most of the time they put raw onions on it. So you can usually ask for grilled onions, but I ain't got time for that. Just give me the meat and the bread, and I'm good. The amount of time it takes, though, to record my videos and setting up the thing sucks, but I also appreciate that time because I appreciate actually having up, because if you guys haven't heard lately in Texas, I mean all over the world, but lately in Texas there's been a lot of kidnappings going on, you know, some scary, dangerous stuff. So it's probably a good thing that I do record a lot. You know, y'all got a spot like this giant van telling me, let me know. Don't just sit there and watch it happen. Let me know. Girl, Shauna, watch your back. They after you. They want that body. I'm making fun of it, but it's a serious issue right now, so yeah. Watch out, girls in Texas. They kidnapping folks. I only have I think of my viewership now, if I remember correctly, 80% of the people who watch my videos are dudes, and the other 20% are girls. So yeah, I only got 20% of girls watch my videos. So I only got 20% girls watch my videos. So girls, watch out. When you're out there on your scooters, you see trucks telling you, don't wander off with people. Don't wander off with strangers. That should be an obvious thing. But you know, somebody be like, yo, hi ma'am, could you help me? My gas, I ran out of gas. Could you come around this corner really quick? Don't go. Just be like, I can call somebody for you. Let me call. You don't have a phone? Oh no, you don't have a phone? Your phone dead or something? Okay. Let me call the police for you. Get this all situated, worked out. Maybe they can help. If they be like, nah, you don't gotta do that. You don't gotta call for they sketchy. Just don't walk off a stranger. Here's the thing. I'm saying, girls, they might be some dudes out there being snatched too. So, less likely, but still could happen. Boys, watch your back. In this whole, let me say, YouTube news, I keep getting these messages. Only people who actually do YouTube or upload videos on a consistent basis. I mean, not consistent, just actually upload videos to the YouTube thing. Been hearing about something called either CCPA or COPA or something like that about kids. I don't know why I keep getting all these messages about, hey, is your channel for kids? Let us know now, because if it is, shut it down. I'm like, wait, what? Hold on. My channel is not for kids. I mean, it's clear that if I'm a scooter channel, that means you have to be at least 16 to ride a scooter. Dang, then 16 is kids. Oh no! Everyone under the age of 18, unsubscribe and stop watching my videos right now. Do I have to start throwing in F-bombs? Here we go. Forget watching my videos. You're freaking weirdo if you watch my videos. Find your way off this channel. For everyone who had to hear that, I'm sorry. It's just got me so crazy. I didn't mean to throw all those F-bombs out there. I didn't mean to. I wasn't trying to be mean to anybody but the kids. Get off my channels. I do know I do have some kids who watch my channels. I can just tell based on the comments when they're a kid or not, or based on their username if they're a kid or not, or based off if I click there. I gotta tell you, 99% of the time, if I get a comment, I'm clicking to see if you have a profile, straight up. Because how come you get to see me every day, all day, but I can't see you? And I get 90% of the time, you guys don't have channels. And then some of you do. I also do that when people click on my channel and they're talking about scooters. I'm like, all right, let me check on their channel, see if they got stuff about scooters, and let me watch some of their videos, and let's like form that Ramen On Wheels community, that crew, that style. Dang, I gotta stop at the corner store. I'm in the wrong lane for that. But yeah, so kids, sorry, but you gotta go. You gotta go. Or secretly log out and log back into your mom's YouTube channel or your mom's profile or your dad's profile, then watch me. But otherwise, this stuff is weird. I'm like, what's all these messages? Shut it down. If your stuff for kids, we gonna be suing folks and stuff. I'm like, what? This is just a hobby. How did this turn so serious, so legal, so government style? They be regulating everything. They be wanting all that money. Oh man, ooh, this is a nice little breeze. It's not cold. Ooh, those autumn colors, I'm loving it. But it's not as cold as it was last week. It's nice and cool. I want it to be a little bit colder, and I like it just to stay that cold temp, like forever. I gotta get over. Oh, you won't let me over. Are you gonna let me over, or are you gonna hit me? Thank you, sir. Yep, go around me. Because everybody in a rush ain't going nowhere. Nowhere important, at least. Do you guys like those dudes that be like, I gotta get over, and then they see you try to get over, so then they rush you, it's like, why? You can't just show me common courtesy and let me over. It's not like being one more person behind is gonna keep you from getting where you need to go. Just let me get over, son. And sometimes I might not even be needing to be in that lane specifically. I just got to get over, all the way over. I just got to get squeezed by you and get to where I need to go. But no, you being a butthead, I won't let people in. Anyway, I say that all to say, be careful, guys. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Be careful. And I'll see you later, because this is Ramen On Wheels, aka the Romobile. Dude.